You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Warm weather across our area. This is a time lapse from our bunchgrass camera. Just a few clouds out there in Shasta County, although that lake level looks pretty low. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff is tracking these conditions for us. Jason, maybe a little bit more water in the lakes before we just get into full-on summer?
Yeah, we're trying for that. It's actually going up a little bit further to the south. Lake Oroville, I was talking about this during our 4 o'clock newscast. We're actually at the highest lake level at Lake Oroville that we've been since July 30th. Of 2020, almost 2 years, about 1 3/4 years. We're only about 128 feet or so from the top, so it's going the right way for us. We just need more rain, and if we can get it, more snow before it gets too warm for that. And it's pretty warm outside right now. Currently 77 degrees in Chico and in Redding, 78 degrees in Oroville, a mild 65 in Weaverville, but it's going to be chilly tomorrow morning. 63 degrees in Chester and 79 degrees in Willows, but cooler than yesterday as expected by a handful of degrees, between 2 and 4 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago. But otherwise, gorgeous weather today. We've had some clouds building up over the mountains, but those are just the fair weather cumulus clouds. Overnight tonight, the second in the series of storms I was telling you about yesterday will start pushing on shore, but it's a weak one. Far weaker than what we had last night, and last night's wasn't very powerful. We're going to have a few clouds, no good chance for any rain, not even a lot of wind, just enough of a breeze going down the valley to keep the temperatures fairly mild for this time of year. A third storm in this series will start pushing our way late Wednesday into Thursday. That will have a little bit more moisture, a little bit more energy, so a slight chance for some mainly mountain showers. We'll have stronger breezes on Thursday also, but that's not the end of it. We have a couple other storms moving our way between Friday and next Tuesday, which I'll tell you more about in our second half hour. But in the short term, unfortunately, we don't have a lot of precipitation in the forecast with the next couple light disturbances, only light amounts of precipitation for mainly Siskiyou County as well as Modoc County. A little bit over far northeastern Shasta County. We'll have an uptick in the wind, though. We're going to have a little bit of a breeze late tonight, keeping the overnight lows a little bit milder, but it's going to be colder for Trinity County. I'm going to show you that coming up in a second. We'll have some light breezes Wednesday afternoon, but then Thursday, when that next storm moves our way, it's going to get a little bit windier for a lot of places. Not as strong as the wind last week, but it will definitely be noticeable, and it's going to be quieter by Friday. But with less cloud cover and less wind tonight, we have a frost advisory for northern Trinity County from 1 a.m. until 9 a.m. and a freeze warning for the southern part of Trinity County, also from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Temperatures from the upper 20s to lower 30s. Once again, you got to bring your pets inside and cover those plants that you can't bring inside too. Now for the mountains, it's going to be a little bit chilly, but for the valley, not too bad at all. If you want to see some more morning exercise, you'll have a good time to do that tomorrow. A little bit cool in the morning, but nice and mild to locally warm by the afternoon, so enjoy it. You're going to have some very quiet weather and seasonable weather too. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. After that freeze warning and the frost advisory for Trinity County, expecting highs tomorrow in the 60s, plenty of 60s for northeastern California after a seasonably cool low in the 30s and lower 40s. For the Ridge, we'll also have lows tonight mainly in the 40s, highs in the comfortably mild 60s under a mostly sunny sky. For the areas around the valley, we'll have lows tonight mainly in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the mid to upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. And for the Chico area, lows tonight upper 40s and lower 50s, highs comfortably warm and seasonable in the upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. Next 7 days in Chico, we're going to have increasing clouds Thursday, but the best chance for showers will not get here until next Monday. Some gustier wind too. Highs both in Chico and in Redding will be mainly in the 70s with a few 80s possible.